What's up, guys? My name is Duncan, and I'm going to be eating 10 ice cream cones at McDonald's.
Danny's on this special kind of diet. This episode is sponsored by the Chris Chann Foundation.
Holy shit. Birthday party? Yeah. Birthday party? Dang, happy birthday. Can I have one of them? Then I wouldn't eat 10. I'll buy you one if I come to you. You do it inside or what?
Okay.
Why? Is there a place to sit?
Yeah.
I want to sit down and eat. Oh, right there, dude. There's another room. Can you hold that? Oh.
Oh crap. Man.
Dude, fuck.
One casual.
Dude, how the fuck did that happen? Can you have him give us a new one or no? That's their fault, dude.
A new what?
A new ice cream. Now we only got 9. One fell on the ground.
Oh, one fell.
Here.
Huh?
I'll do 10. Just go get me another. We got 9 right now. Another one on the way because it fell on the ground. It's so cold. What if I can't do it?
You can. We're gonna do a time lapse shot.
Bro, I already got brain freeze.
Time lapse is go.
This asshole made him so big. Let me cool it down. Fuck, man. I can't believe we dropped one. Did you see it fall on the ground? Fuck, man, I haven't even got one. Dude, there's a lot of ice cream.
Speed run it.
Fine. Alright, I'm gonna try to speed it up.
Think you could do this in less than 10 minutes?
No?
12 minutes.
Oh, maybe.
I think 12. You're at 4 minutes.
Oh, hell no. Oh, there's only 2.
Oh crap.
Damn. He must have had too many ice cream. Oh. Which one's like the worst? Like right here?
No. Eat 2 at the same time.
Dude, where did Chris go?
He went to go get you a second one.
Bro, he's in line still?
Alright, here's number 10.
Now it's like only ate 1. I've only had 2. Dude, this is so fucking hard. It's so cold in my head. And it's like it's melting too fast, dude.
You gotta eat 2. Double time, triple time. Slow-mo that.
Can you get a picture with your phone? Dude. Wow.
That looks good.
No, this sucks, dude. Dude, my stomach hurts so bad now.
That's gonna be easy.
The worst part is like,
Is this worse than the banana?
banana sucked. That was like different though.
This seems like worse because
This,
it's like, you get full.
this is 3.
Got
Oh
it.
shit, you only got 6 left.
Hey, you gotta eat that one and
I
that
bet it feels
one.
good to eat the cracker part, huh?
And that's usually the worst part.
The worst?
Usually it sucks. I like the ice cream, but I never eat 10 at a time.
Take like a big ass bite.
But I just hate how they're melting.
Smash it on your face. Yeah. There's gonna be a 6 time left. When you know he's really good at licking.
Damn. These little kids are like, I want 10 ice creams. Give me 10 ice creams.
Yeah.
No, you can't have 10 ice creams. But he has 10 ice creams.
I never seen this challenge.
Dude, I gotta finish it. Fuck, dude. Dude, I can't. Dude, I can't believe the one fell on the ground. There's so many left though. I still told that guy not to fill him up.
Oh, dude.
That just fucking fell for no reason. Dude, I'm just looking at how much ice cream left and I'm about to throw up. Fuck, dude. Is there any tricks to it? Dude. Fuck, man. I want to finish.
Leave one, don't lick one of them.
Can you finish it?
I'm gonna keep going. If I finish them all though, and it wouldn't ruin my whole day, that's a good day. I finished 10 ice creams.
You too.
2 at the same time.
Oh
Hey,
my god.
guy.
Oh, ice cream.
Yo. That one's like dying. You gotta get that one next.
I will. I'll get that one now. Can you get that other one? Oh, dude, fuck. Oh shit, dude. Is that fine? Need a burp.
Future fence climber.
What?
Future fence climber. Oh my god, dude. Ah.
We should have done like, I don't know. I just can't eat them that fast. That's what's hard.
Stick with mayonnaise.
Ew.
Ew.
That makes me want to throw up. Stop. Stop.
Eating all these?
No, I want to finish. Dude, stop. I want to try to do it. Dude, I've already ate fucking 4.
You're halfway. Not real. Yeah, you're halfway there.
Oh. Dude, we watched fucking one fell off onto the Hey, hey.
You're going crazy. You're going crazy. You're going crazy, dude.
Dude, I can't. My heart hurts. Oh. And then every one of these just fucking domino effect over.
The two people jizz at the same time.
You might want to hurry. That was like combining.
Hey. He wasn't recording.
No, it was. No, it was. I made sure.
It was recording.
What?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. Fucking fight that shit.
Oh my gosh, dude, I'm about to fucking throw up.
Just think of wax.
I'm getting really cold and shaky. Like,
Want to rub your elbow?
I'm getting full now.
Hey, Chris, look at the pool. Dang.
I only got 3.5 left.
Yeah, you gotta suck that in.
Fuck, this is a dirty tray. Oh, dude. I fucking hate ice cream.
Is this worse than the banana?
In a different way, like, it's different. The banana's taste was so nasty. Like,
We're eating it like full. But you're full now, right?
no, but I want to throw up a lot.
When you eat the banana?
But it was,
I feel like I could do the banana.
it was gross.
Double time. You got it. That one's like hardcore melting.
Fuck, man. Ugh. Bro, I ate 6 fucking ice creams.
7.
6.
Almost.
This is almost 6.
Oh.
Why'd this fucker have to make them so big? We got 10 of them, dude. What the fuck? Oh.
Just lick off the edges on that one so it stop melting.
That's the one Chris wants if I can't finish.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh.
Lick off the edges on that one so it stop melting.
I shouldn't have ate that chicken this morning. Isn't it weird if you think about it, Chris? Like my body's telling me not to do this anymore. Like it's like, yo, you're full, stop eating. You know, like it's sending you signals like, but yet you don't listen.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just, hey, if I throw up, film
You are
it.
now manually breathing. Are you breathing automatically right now or manually?
I don't even know where I'm at.
Yeah.
You're breathing manually.
That's manually.
You're breathing manually.
Dude, your breath is so fucking cold.
Felt mine?
No, I felt his. Some ice.
Ice, man.
I felt it like here.
I'm at 6.5 cones.
Yeah.
Now I hate the cone part. Now the cone part
You
sucks.
gotta lick off the edges on that one.
Fuck, I'm so full, bro. I don't think I can do this.
You got it.
You know what's funny? I'm gonna have videos of me showing you how to get abs, and then videos of me eating ice cream cones. That's why I have 2 personas.
Seven.
I don't know if I can do anymore.
Worse than the waffle?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
Way worse, dude. This is worse than banana now.
Yeah?
Yeah. I would do the banana again before I did this.
I'm telling you, man, this is hard.
Dude, I eat 7 though. That's fucking good. Like,
That's a lot.
I'm about to throw up.
I will stop there.
No. I want to finish. What do you think, man?
Going insane.
I don't know.
Nah.
I think I'm done.
Alright,
Done?
Chris wants me to stop.
I want you to stop.
You're
Let me try to finish this one. I'm like at that point where I throw up every time I take a bite. Oh, I'm done. I feel sick. I hate ice cream. Hold on, I think I can finish this. No. I lost.
How do you feel?
I feel awful, but I think if the ice creams didn't melt so fast, I could eat 10 in one sitting, but no excuses.
Can I finish it for you?
Yeah.
You licked it.
No, I only like the. I didn't like that.
You didn't lick that one?
Yeah, I didn't like that.
Said you licked it.
No, I didn't.
You didn't lick this?
Huh?
No, he didn't.
I saw you lick it.
Yo,
No, I didn't.
could I come you in the face with one to make the video better?
Huh? No.
Why? Make the video good. I didn't like that.
He didn't like that one.
Huh?
He didn't like that one.
Nah, I like that one. I like that.
You're already in, man. You're in.
I like that.
It already melted off though.
I like that. No, you can see my tongue. My tongue was right. Oh. My tongue was right away.
You got it. Yeah.
Show.
Dude, my stomach's so big. I'm not showing you. Here, wait. Wait, do it.
What if I just socked you really hard?
Alright, mic is on. That was worse! Go. Oh. Oh, yeah, dude.
Hell no. I need a drink, dude. Hey, you got any water? Oh, he's like, Chris, you got any water? Oh shit, he does. Show you something? Or is it bad? Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, fuck. Can you grab that? Yeah, you fucking.
He had like 10 vanilla ice cream cones.
At McDonald's for a video, and then he forgot to turn the mic on when I was throwing up, so I gotta redo it. I think I'm done. Comment on the video and tell me what you want to see me try next.
That's what's going on. Nothing